Good evening, I'm Jacqueline Matter.
I'm Scott Dennis. Thanks so much for being with us tonight. Our top story at 5, an eroding Lido Beach is likely to cause some headaches during the upcoming Sarasota Powerboat Grand Prix.
Sand renourishment is on its way, but it won't be here in time for the beach's busiest weekend of the year. As ABC7's Jess Dowdrick explains, there are some ways that you can help protect the beach while enjoying the holiday weekend.
If you came out to Lido Beach for the powerboat races last year and haven't been back since, you may be in for a surprise. The beach is eroding and isn't nearly as large as it was last year, which may cause issues for spectators.
It's going to be tight.
There's only a thin line of sand left to walk on at Lido Beach.
When coming up to the beach, they go through the beach accesses, and since there's no sand, they stop right in the beach access. So then that prevents other people from getting onto the beach.
That's on a normal weekend. Now we're talking about the biggest event of the year. Spectators are likely to be packed like sardines.
Bring as little as possible, maybe a beach chair, a cooler, and a raft. The best spot to watch the races is the water.
You're asked to leave the tents at home and watch out for these turtle nests and these nesting birds.
Not only do we try to protect the sand, we try to protect the birds. So you'll see volunteers out there with roped off areas.
And while you're prepping for the big weekend, so is Sarasota County.
We are putting up fencing along the beach side, about 500 feet of fencing to protect the dunes. And then on the road side, we have like a light roping up as well.
Then there's these signs reminding beachgoers that dunes are the first line of defense against erosion.
We'll be handing out on the beach to beachgoers yellow bags to help us keep the beaches clean and safe, and promoting the Pack In, Pack Out campaign.
Next year for the powerboat races, the beach will probably look much different. 2 renourishment projects are in the works between now and then.
I hope that everyone comes out and they still then come out next year and see a newer beach and a better beach.
While the Grand Prix festivities may begin this weekend, the races themselves aren't until next weekend. They run next Saturday, June 30th, and Sunday, July 1st. Reporting on Lido Beach, Jess Dowdrick, ABC7, your Suncoast News.